Hello everyone, my name is Lily and welcome to Lily in the Kitchen. It's been way too hot these past few days. So today we'll be making two simple and refreshing dishes. Chinese potato and tofu salads. Even though they may appear as separate dishes, the process of making them are very similar. With that being said, you could substitute many different vegetables and they will be just as delicious. Alright, let's get to work. Let's take a look at the ingredients we need today. Potatoes and tofu skins. There are many types of potatoes: red skin, yellow skin, and brown skin. The brown potato and the yellow potato contain a lot of starch. Therefore, they are more suitable for French fry or stews. Red skin potato contain less starch, producing a more crispy and refreshing texture. As a result, this is what we'll be using today. The tofu skin I chose is on the thicker side, because I like the chewier texture. But you can choose any type that suits your taste. Next, let's take a look at the condiments we need. We need oil. Any type works fine. Red pepper flakes. It's best to use flakes, not ground pepper, but if you don't have that, ground red pepper works fine as well. And that's green onions, red chili pepper. The chili pepper not only elevates the umami flavor, it also makes the dish look more appetizing, giving it more colors. And salt, mushroom extract, peppercorns. And last but not least, star anise. First, peel the potatoes, then grate them into thin flours. If you don't have a grater like mine, you could use a knife to cut into a desired shape. After grating, put them in cold water. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This will preserve their texture better. Now, slice the tofu skin. I prefer them to be about 1/5 of an inch thick. This way, they soak in the flavors while also maintaining their chewiness. Cut off the stem on the chili pepper and slice. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Drop the tofu in and let it boil again for 2 to 3 minutes before taking out. Then wash out with cold water after boiling. Repeat the same process for the potatoes. But this time let it boil again for 1 minute instead. Be careful not to overcook them. Put potatoes in water after cooking as well, to cool them down and prevent overcooking. Place the green onions and the chili slices on the top and in the center of the potatoes and the tofu skin. Be careful not to spread them out too much. This way, when we pour on the hot oil, all of them will be covered. Now comes the most important steps. Heat up a small saucepan, add in the oil, and don't wait for it to heat up. Just add in the peppercorn and the star anise. It is best if the star anise is split beforehand, so all its flavors can get into the oil. Put on low heat and let flavors mingle until the peppercorn and the star anise turn golden brown like so. Then take it off the heat and use one hand to hold the skimmer while pouring the hot oil onto the dish we prepared earlier. You will hear a delicious sizzling noise, which is then followed by an explosion of the aroma. Mix thoroughly and we're done. And that's it for the salads. Isn't it pretty easy to make? In our house, we have this dish at least once a week with different ingredients. Alright, that's it for today's episode. Thanks everyone for watching. I will see you guys next time.